Hello everyone, welcome to the how to channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to get Instagram Wrapped. Now guys, the first thing you want to do is to go to your app store. Now when we go to our app store, we're going to go to the search bar and search for an app called Wrapped for Instagram. That is the application that we're looking for, and this is what it looks like. So we are going to get the application. Now guys, as you can see, the application Wrapped for Instagram is done downloading. I just want to tap on open. So guys, in order for you to get your Instagram Wrapped, you need to connect your Instagram to the Wrap application. So I'm just going to tap on connect Instagram, continue, and then I'm going to log onto my Instagram with my Instagram details. Now guys, because I have a two-step verification on all my Meta accounts, I'm just going to input the code that was sent to my phone. But you don't have to do this if you don't have a two-step verification on your Meta accounts. So it's just to show that I trust the device that I'm logging my Instagram into. And then as you can see, it's going to ask me if I want to save my information. I'm just going to tap no, and then as you can see, it says generating your Wrapped. Now my Instagram has been wrapped, and this is how it is. Very easy for my Instagram to be wrapped. So if I want to share this to my Instagram, all I need to do is to come to the bottom. I'll see the share icon over there. I'm just going to tap on share, and then I'll be able to share it on my Instagram story. Now guys, thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the how to channel for another amazing tutorial. I'll see you next time. Bye.